Hello and welcome to this hsbMake video on the hsbClient security updates that were added with version 28. My name is Andrew Baker-Keane and I'll give you a quick overview of these changes. hsbCad wants all of its platforms to be built on the latest available software, so we upgraded hsbMake to .NET Core. This is crucial for long-term security. We also added, as a result of this, a new devices manager, which allows us to actually track what is connected to the hsbMake server. This is in combination with the security update and licensing changes that were added to the client, providing greater visibility of the connections that have been made. Because most of the security updates are in the background, the only thing that I can actually show you in this video is the actual device manager. So on screen we have the device manager showing the number of allowed devices to connect, the active devices connected, so I have two, which is the blank test PC and the hsbCad. Should a device become faulty, stolen, or you want to disconnect it, this allows you to unregister a device, and on clicking save to the changes actually confirms that the information about that device has been removed. This prevents devices that should not be connected from remaining connected. To summarize, we've increased the visibility of connections that are being made to the Make server, reduced security risk by removing unauthorized or faulty equipment from the connection to the Make server. It just remains for me to say thank you for sparing your time to watch this video. My name has been Andrew Baker-Keane.